Hi, this is Josh with Shining 3D. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the FreeScan UE Pro 2. First will be the scanner itself. Next, we're going to be go ahead and taking out the power adapter for the wireless scanning. Quickly connect that in, and now this device is fully ready to be used wirelessly. Our dongle to be able to allow the access to the software. Next will be the scale bars. This is for the patented photogrammetry to ensure the highest volumetric accuracy. Next will be the calibration board. And it does still come with the wires, so it can be used in wireless mode, but if you wanted to use it in the wired, like a traditional UE Pro, you can still use it in that wired format. And it is good to note that the accuracy and data quality is going to be the same that it would have with the wired and the wireless. Now that the software is launched and we are fully connected with the device itself, we're good to go, and we can able to scan on the go, completely wireless. Thank you.